Hello YouTube, it's my big head again. Yeah, in a previous video I was talking about this cable, and I have a green extension which is 25 feet, and it's about 20 feet longer than this. Well, I'm putting my bottle over there, if you follow my finger, over there on the wall, because my cart's so heavy it's gonna flip over. So I went to buy one of these things, which if you look at it, here's the thing. It's an adapter. It comes out of here like this. It's a quick connect. Well, the reason why I want a quick connect is because if I keep putting this on my machine and screwing it in and unscrewing it and screwing it in and unscrewing it, eventually I'm going to strip these threads, or I'm going to strip the machine threads, or one of these threads. So instead I decided I'm not going to use the other hose to get one of these, so I can just screw this onto here, one end, and then put one end on the bottle, which, yeah, this end would go in the bottle, and this end would go in the machine. So I can just clickety click, and it goes on my welding machine like that. This way I can leave the bottle along the wall. It's easier to access, it's secured to the wall. It won't flip my welding cart, and I can put my welding machine anywhere within a 25-foot radius, which is overkill because I'm not going to weld over by the wall here. I'm not going to weld behind me. There's a garage door next to me over here in front of me, and it's usually where I weld outside the door. So yeah, this, and 25 feet longer. This stupid little thing here, which I ordered, was close to $100 in Canada, and it was $32 US. So yeah, do the math. I bought one in the US, a lot cheaper. It's pretty cool too. It's like, it doesn't have I think it's just a straight through. The one in Canada has the little flashback arrestor, which I didn't need it. So yeah, cool. Anyway, like and subscribe, leave some comments, and if you're new to the channel, join my channel.